Fireflies.ai. Are you still spending hours typing meeting notes, chasing details you forgot, or digging through messy documents to find what was said? That wasted time could be costing your team real opportunities. Fireflies.ai fixes that instantly. Fireflies.ai is an AI-powered meeting assistant that automatically joins your video calls on platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and Skype. It records and transcribes your conversations in real time, turning every discussion into a detailed, searchable transcript. No more scrambling to catch every word or worrying about missing critical points. But Fireflies.ai doesn't stop there. Its AI-generated summaries pull out the key points, decisions, and action items, so you get a clear picture of what matters without sifting through an entire transcript. With support for over 100 languages, it's perfect for global teams working across time zones. Need to revisit an old conversation? Just search for a keyword across past meetings and find exactly what you need within seconds. Fireflies.ai also makes collaboration easy. Teammates can edit, comment, and share transcripts directly, eliminating confusion and back-and-forth emails. Its CRM and workflow integrations mean you can sync notes directly into tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Slack, Trello, or Asana. On top of that, analytics and insights track speaker participation, sentiment, and keyword trends, giving you data to improve team performance. And because security matters, Fireflies.ai is GDPR compliant, encrypts your data, and respects recording regulations, making it safe even for regulated industries. Whether you're in sales, HR, education, or media, Fireflies.ai saves time, boosts productivity, and ensures that nothing important slips through the cracks. There's even a mobile app for iOS and Android, so you can take your meeting assistant on the go. Fireflies.ai offers a free plan to get started with Pro, Business, and Enterprise options for advanced features and integrations. Call to action. Stop wasting hours on manual notes. Try Fireflies.ai today and turn every meeting into organized, searchable, and actionable insights.